Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into your online banking of RBC or Royal Bank. If you are also enrolled for the online banking of RBC, in this video, let me show you how you can log into it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right into it. Search for rbcroyalbank.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, you can see this is the website. And on the top right of the website, you'll be able to see this sign in option. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign in section of RBC Bank. In the first box, you'll need to type in the client card or your username. The client card is given to you by the bank and you created the username while signing up for RBC online banking. So in the first box, type in your username or your client card. And if you don't remember your username, you can click on recover your username and follow simple steps to recover it. After that, click on next. And in the next section, it's going to ask you for the password. If you also don't remember your password, you can click on the reset password link and follow further steps to recover and reset your password. Once you type in your password, you can just click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your RBC Royal Online Banking. So that was a short and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.